Hello everyone, today I will show how to install Tesseract OCR on your Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. Tesseract is optical text recognition engine developed by Google. Tesseract allows to recognize the text in the image. First, we need to execute sudo apt update command. It will update all package lists. Now we can execute the second command. It will install Tesseract tool. We need to little bit wait. Tesseract was installed, and now we can check Tesseract version. As you can see, we installed Tesseract 4. Now we can test. I found simple image in the internet. We can download it using widget command. As we can see, image was saved in test.png file. Now we can test. Tesseract provides a command line interface. First argument is our image file. Second argument is a text file, which will hold recognized text. We don't need to specify extension. It will be added automatically by Tesseract. As we can see, a new text file was created. Now we can check what it holds. As you can see, text in the image was recognized correctly. Also, results can be written directly to the terminal. We need to change only the second argument to stdout. And we can execute this command. As you can see, we get the same result as previously. All executed commands are available in the website. Link is provided in the video description. Please subscribe channel. See you in the next video.